Compose yourselves, girls. Meron daw bago i-announce din final walk bawat isa. Okay? Yes, to be escorted by Rhea and Daryl. Where's Daryl? We would like to acknowledge first, before that, the presence of Councilor Ian Sia. Thank you for coming. Mamaya, siya ang magbibigay ng prizes later on. Complicated yan. Later.
Complicated ata.
Okay. So where is Daryl? Asan si Daryl? Okay. So isa-isa. Ang walk from here to there.
Sa entrance sa Marigold.
Okay?
Marigold.
Alright. Music, please. Alright, next, Miss Meekness, Geraldine Domingo. Thank you to Miss Cortina, to Miss Roque, and to Miss Estacio. Alright, for the awarding, may we call on Councilor Ian Sia to join Maribeth Cates for the prizes. Okay. For the, para sa consolation prizes muna. Okay. Are you ready? Mamaya na consolation pala. Consolation Flores. Ang prize. Okay. Yung mga prizes from Mary Pedrodan. Margareta. Okay. Top ano ba to? Ano ba tawag doon? Huwag na lang. In no order. In any order na lang para wala ng ano. Okay. Miss Meekness, Geraldine Domingo. Nag-kiss niya na. Kailangan nag-kiss. Thank you. Next. Miss Love. Joyce Valdez.
Yes! Yes!
Next. Miss Kindness, Blessing Carillo.
Yes!
Oh my God! Excited! Parang kinakabahan ako.
O, di ba?
Mainit. Mag-post naman kayo. Mag-post naman. Nakakayakit kung sihal. Nakaano pa, oh. voted 5 pa. Ay, naka-vote.
Naka-coat.
Okay. Next runner-up, Miss Wisdom, Sheila Santos. Speech na lang muna. Pag-speech muna natin yung... Wag na, mama, yung winner na lang. Okay, fine. O sige, para nataten si SB kasi... Okay. Okay, and the first runner-up goes to... Tama ba? Kinakabahan ako? Okay. And... First runner-up is Miss Friendship. And the... Kiss na, kiss! No. Yes. Kiss! And the winner for the search for Miss Division 94, ang nag-compute nito t-shirts natin so we cannot, Miss Annabelle Jewel. Thank you. Ang premyo, aside from the Victoria's Secret, is, can we open, Mr. Counselor?
Gift certificate from John Robert Powers worth 20,000.
So, maghingi muna tayo ng speech kay Ian. Ay, kay Annabelle muna. Teka na si Ian. Short lang, ha?
Maraming salamat po sa mga blessing na to. Pero parang itong JRP, parang gusto ko ibigay sa iba kasi hindi ko na kailangan. Ganun eh, no? Mukha. Alam ni Lord, kailangan ko. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.